In this video we are looking at functions that give you random results, and also looking at this function power, which will not give you a random result, but I just included it in this video. So rand, for example, let's go find it. There it is. And that's it. That's simple stuff. You have an open and close bracket because rand will give you a random number between 0 and 1. In other words, a random decimal number. Now, just be aware that both of these have volatile results. In other words, if I change anything on the sheet, this will change. So it won't remain the same. So if you are using the results of these functions in other functions, just be aware that the value doesn't stay the same. Right, so let's quickly do your rand between. Now for rand between, you choose the bottom and top number, and then it will return for you a number between those two values. So for example, 1 and 100 will give me a result between 1 and 100. I can also reference these cells, or I can reference these parameters from the cells. So I'm going to use A2 here, for example, for the bottom, semicolon, choose the A3 where the 100 is, close the bracket, and there we go. Same thing happens. Random number between 1 and 100. If you want to autofill and drag this down, just remember to absolute reference by using a F4 on the keyboard. F4 over there as well. And that's it. So then power. Power function is over here. And simple stuff. You simply choose the number that you would like to power. And let's say to the power of 3 should be 1000. And there we get 1000. You can also obviously use cells for these parameters. So 10 to the power of 2, close the bracket. There you go. Notice how those things changed again. And that's it.